turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Release the solenoid valve from its frame, sliding it upwards. Then move it to the side so it doesn't get in the way of the operation. Using a flathead screwdriver, unscrew the two holding screws on the airbox flange located on each side of the box. Pull the filter holding rack towards you, then lift it up to take it out of the airbox. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Remove the old filter, then insert the new one into the rack. Before putting the rack back in place, it is important to clean the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Slide the whole thing downwards into the airbox. Finally, push on the rack to fix it in its final position. Rescrew the two holding screws. Don't forget to put the solenoid valve back into its frame. Operation completed.